Hello friends, in our class today we are given x squared minus 7x to be equals to 5x minus 10 minus 2x squared, and we are asked to use the formula method of quadratic equation to solve this equation. So let's first and foremost understand how quadratic formula look, quadratic equation rather, how quadratic equation look. X squared plus bx plus c equals to 0. So this is the format quadratic equation look like. So let's rewrite this one in this format. So what do? We collect likely times. So we now have it as x squared. This one is also 2 minus 2x squared. So let's bring it here. It will now be plus 2x squared. Okay. We have minus 7x here. This is plus 5x. Bring it here to turn to minus 5x. Alright, this is minus 10. Let's bring it here. It will now be plus 10 equals to 0. X squared plus 2x squared will give me 3x squared. Minus 7x minus 5x will give me minus 12x. Then plus 10 equals to 0. If you compare this new equation with this standard quadratic equation, you can see that they look alike. So from here, I can now establish that my a, which is the coefficient of x squared, is the same thing as 3 in this equation. My b, which is the coefficient of x, will be minus 12, and my c is now the same thing as 10. Let's apply quadratic formula method, in which our x will be equals to minus b plus or minus root of b squared minus 4 into a into c all over 2a. Is that taken? So meaning that x is now equals to minus, what is the value of my b? Minus 12. Minus 12. Okay? Plus or minus root of b squared minus 12 squared minus 4 into a, which is 3, c, which is 10, okay, all over 2a by 3. So x is now the same thing as minus times minus 12 will give you plus 12, plus or minus root of minus 12 squared, that is minus 12 times minus 12, which is 144, okay. 4 times 3 is 12. 12 times 10 will be 120. So minus 4 times 3 is minus 12. That will now give us minus 120 all over 6. Are you there? So we now have x to be equals to 12 plus or minus 144 minus 120. This is 4. This is 2. That is 24. Okay? All over 6. So x is now equals to 12 plus or minus, this one can give me 12 times 2, 8 times 3, 6 times 4. So I will leave it as such. So it will be root 24 over 6. If I split it, let me split it. Over 6 over 6. So this will cut this. This will be 2. So x is now the same thing as 2 plus or minus root 24 over 6, meaning that therefore x is the same thing as 2 plus root 24 over 6, or x is equals to 2 minus root 24 over 6. That's the convenient place for me to stop. Thank you.